Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear friends and dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. My dear friends and my beautiful ladies, in today's I am going to show you stylish and outstanding vintage style dresses design ideas with awesome look, beautiful colors, extremely gorgeous dresses design ideas for party wear, wedding guest dresses, awesome and unique designing, different shapes neck design, awesome sleeve design ideas, mother of the bride dresses design. It's really beautiful. I have only ideas videos. I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. If you want to buy these beautiful dresses, so visit amazon.com and etsy.com. Buy all beautiful dresses. My dear friends, if you want to get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get more ideas. Dear friend, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my videos and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members on all social media accounts. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Videos from my channel can help you. You can get ideas. Beautiful and awesome designing. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. We will be right back. Jazakallah khair.